All right, so surface area measures the number of 2D units that an external surface of an object takes up. You're doing volume now, so volume measures the number of 3D cubic units of space that an object takes up. At some point, you're going to need to convert between sizes of volume units. Some of the references that you'll use for your assignment, they needed to convert in the past. So all you need is a flow chart. Just grab the volume conversion flow chart down. 10 cubed, 10 times 10 times 10, that's divided by 1,000, times by 1,000. 100 cubed is going to be divided by 1,000,000, and times by 1,000,000. So the general gist of the flowchart is if you're going from a smaller unit to a larger unit, you're dividing. If you're going from a larger unit to a smaller unit, you are multiplying. What do you need? Do you need a pencil or something?
Switch.
Spare paper?
Switch.
Switch? I don't have it on me right now. It's up in the lunchroom. All right, let's demonstrate the flow chart. If I wanted to go from 5 cubic meters to cubic centimeters, how many steps on the flow chart would be? Is that just one arrow step? From cubic meters to cubic centimeters? Yes or no? One step. You're going from here to here. So you're timesing by 1,000,000. So it's going to be 5 times by 1,000,000 is going to be 5,000,000 cubic centimeters. That might seem sort of crazy to you, but when you consider a meter cube would be like that size, okay? How many centimeters is it across? 100? 100 times 100 down. So just one layer of that cubic meter is going to be 100 times 10,000 little cubes. And then you're going to times it by 100 again, going into the depth of it. So that's why it's 1,000,000. How many steps do we have in the flow chart going from cubic millimeters to cubic meters? Is that still one step? 2 steps. You're going from cubic millimeters and you're dividing this time. So 25,000 and you're going to divide by 1,000 and then you're going to divide that answer by 1,000,000 equals, so one shortcut for this, you could just work out how many zeros it is. If you're dividing by 1,000, it's going to be, you're going to get rid of those 3 zeros. And then you divide by 1,000,000, you're going to jump the decimal point 6 times to the left. So it's going to be 0.000025 cubic meters. Let's check that. 25,000 divided by 1,000 divided by 1,000,000. 4 zeros, 25 cubic meters. That's just that. I'll go straight into the next lesson because the next lesson is just to provide you 4 formulae for prisms. So I'll stop there.